up, guys? Welcome to this week's Talk About It Tuesday. I'm Crystal Coverage, and today I'm here with Raina the Rain Fairy, and she's expecting, and her hormones are all over the place, and it's, as you guys can see, caused a lot of rain in our forecast. So, Raina, tell me what's going on.
I'm just so done being pregnant. I'm just miserable, and I'm stressed, and my hormones are just out of control. I just keep crying. And if you look, I don't know if you guys have looked outside today, but it just keeps raining and raining and raining. And I'm not trying, it's out of my control. I'm not trying to flood these people's houses and businesses and stuff, but it could be a really real problem.
Oh, absolutely. Especially since your average home policy doesn't have flood insurance on it. You know, that's a specialized coverage. So we better talk to people about this. So guys, I want to give you some information before Raina floods us all out.
I'm so sorry.
Not of her own accord, of course, but you know, your average home policy doesn't have coverage for groundwater coming in the home. So with all this rain, if you guys are seeing a lot of that build up and think there's a problem, we really need to address it now. With flood policies, a lot of them have a 30-day wait. So if you think there's ever a chance that this could happen and that the flood fairy and rain fairies can flood you out, we need to get that coverage taken care of immediately. So, Raina, I hope you can hold in there and maybe give us a break. And
I'll try. I'll do my best.
You know, maybe you should talk to Susie Sunshine, and she can kind of even things out for us and dry us out.
I hope so. Or maybe we could do something to get this baby out sooner, and that'll fix the problem.
Oh, I hope so. Hopefully not some rain cloud babies.
Hopefully not.
All right. Well, I wish you luck with the rest of your pregnancy, and you guys talk to us about flood insurance immediately. Have a great day, and we'll see you next week.